In this video, you'll learn how to export contacts from Zoho CRM efficiently. By following these steps, you will successfully create an export file for your contacts, allowing you to manage your data more effectively. Begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. Enter the URL in your web browser and press enter. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the main dashboard where all your modules are visible. This confirms that you are in the right place to start the export process. Next, locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol on the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the data administration to proceed to the data management section. After that, in the data administration section, find and click on the export option. This will direct you to the export settings page. Here, you should see various options related to exporting data. Confirm that you are on the correct page before moving forward. Once this appears, look for the button labeled Start and Export. Click on this button to initiate the export process. You may notice a loading indicator as the system prepares the export settings. Wait for the next screen to fully load before proceeding. You will now be asked to select a module. Click on this option to choose the specific data you wish to export. A list of modules will appear, allowing you to make your selection. Ensure you see the available options before continuing. Now, click on Contacts from the list of modules to specify that you want to export your contacts. This selection will filter the data to include only your contacts. After making this selection, verify that you have chosen the correct module before you proceed. Next, select Contacts Custom View to specify which contact views you want to include in the export. After clicking this option, the interface will reflect your selection. Make sure the custom view you need is selected accurately. Subsequently, click on All Contacts to ensure that all your contacts are included in the export. This action will confirm that you want to export every contact without any filters applied. Wait for the confirmation that this selection has been made. Following this, click on Fields to specify which contact fields you want to include in the export. After you click, the available field options will be displayed. Review these options carefully to ensure you select the necessary fields. Now click on All Fields to include every available field in your export. This selection will ensure that no data is omitted. Confirm that the correct fields are selected before moving on to the next step. Next, click on Choose File Type to determine the format of the export file. A drop-down menu will appear. Ensure you see the available formats before proceeding to the next step. Then select CSV as your desired file format. This format is widely used and compatible with most applications. After making this selection, confirm that the CSV option is highlighted correctly. After that, click on Char Set to specify the character set for your export. A variety of character set options will appear. Review them carefully to select the most appropriate one for your needs. Now, click on Export to finalize your export settings. This action will initiate the export process, and you may see a loading indicator while the file is being prepared. Wait for the process to complete. Finally, a message will appear stating export has been scheduled. This confirms that your export is in the queue and will be processed shortly. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure the export has been initiated successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.